Stephanie Dian from BST in 1 Section 17. So today, I'm going to discuss about the Philippine presidents from Ramon Magsaysay to Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and their main accomplishment. The first president is Ramon Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957. Ramon Magsaysay, known as the champion of the common man, he restored people's trust in the government and focused on honesty and service. The second president is Carlos P. Garcia, 1957 to 1961. Garcia is remembered for his Filipino First policy, which aimed to help Filipino business over foreign ones. He promoted thrift and economic independence. The third president is Diosdado Macapagal, year 1961 to year 1965. Macapagal was known as the poor boy from Lubao. He moved the celebration of Independence Day from July 4 to June 12, honoring our 1898 independence. The fourth president is Ferdinand E. Marcos, year 1965 to year 1986. Marcos built many infrastructures such as roads, bridges, hospitals, and cultural centers. However, his presidency became controversial when he declared martial law in 1972, which limited freedom and led to human rights issues. The fifth president is Corazon C. Aquino, year 1986 to year 1992. Cory Aquino, the first woman president of the Philippines, restored democracy after Marcos. She created a new constitution in 1987 and helped rebuild freedom and people's rights. Her leadership symbolized peace and democracy. The sixth president is Fidel V. Ramos, year 1992 to year 1998. Ramos was known for bringing political stability and economic growth. He encouraged foreign investments and improved infrastructure. He also promoted peace talks with rebel groups and improved tourism. The seventh president is Joseph Estrada, year 1998 to 2002. Estrada, or IRAP, focused on helping the poor with his IRAP Para sa Mahirap program. However, his term was out short due to corruption issues and he was removed from office through EDSA 2. The eighth president is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, year 2001 to 2010. She focused on strengthening the economy and improving